I'm looking at the Shure AONIC 215 true wireless sound isolating earphones. Now I'm going to open them up. Got some plastic tags on the side. And I'll have a look through and I'll read through the manual, and I shall put them on charge. And I believe there's an app with them, so I shall install the app. There's a quick start guide there. Okay. That's the case. It's quite neat. I think that's leather. Nice and solid. Oh yeah. Got some spare ear tips, all different sizes. There's a USB-C type USB-A charging lead. And this comes out. Yeah, this comes out. Booklet in the bottom. Probably the warranty. And these don't look the easiest to get out. Nice, you only have to take them out once, I suppose. That's the earbuds. As I say, I shall give them a charge up and some wireless charging the box, and install the app, and then I shall give them a try out. Obviously you won't be able to hear them, but I shall come back with my review on them. Not quite how they go in there. Oh, there we are. Right, let's see. Yeah, there we go. They sit in the case and charge there, and I shall put the case on charge, make sure they've got a good charge, and then I shall come back. I've now charged them up, and I've connected them up to my phone via the Bluetooth. This is a battery tester on the back, shows you how much power you got left in there. This turns green when it's fully charged, the charge case. Let's charge them at the moment. To connect them up, right one out, hold that button in to turn that one on. That should be flashing blue. Yeah, that's flashing blue. The left one, hold that one, that's flashing blue now. It's connected. I say connecting to the Bluetooth is fairly straightforward. That shows on my phone they're connected. Let's go to the app, and there it is. We can have a look through the app. There's the music library. It's graphic equalizer. Different settings. You can add a new preset if you want to. And these have got sound isolating technology and environmental mode. They block, I think, up to 37 decibels of noise. And they got 8 hours playtime, which is 32 with the charge you get through the case. For a recharge, I can play some music through them. Whether you'll hear it, I don't know. difficult. Obviously I can't show the quality on the video, but I shall give them a really good try out and come back with my thoughts on them. These detach. You can connect to devices like airline entertainment systems and that. Look through the app. Settings. User guide on there. Privacy notice about the app. You can Apple Music on there. And then your library. There's not much music on this phone anyway. And as I say, I shall come back and give my review on them.